Life Tube, where you can learn the secrets of makeup pros and pick up some of the tips and tricks that insiders use. Today, we're bringing you a look that is formal and corporate, but with a sharp, feisty edge. Perfect for office parties or even special days at the office. Step 1. Wipe your face with tonic. Step 2. Apply cosmetic base to your face. Pro tip. Apply lip balm when starting your makeup routine to prepare your lips for later and for overall lip care. Step 3. Time for a face tint. Apply it and then shade with a sponge or a brush. Step 4. Apply basic contouring. Start with some concealer. Apply some under your eyes and on the chin. Then, draw a line on your cheekbones, jawline, and the top of the forehead with a bronzer. Careful and accurately shade everything as shown. For more details on contouring, be sure to check out our beginner's guide to contouring as well. Step 5. It's the blush's turn. Apply it on your cheeks and then shade carefully and accurately as shown. The color should be bright and lively to add some pep to your look. For more details on expert blush application, be sure to check out our video on the topic as well. Step 6. Fix the result with some dry powder. Step 7. Comb your eyebrows and apply brow shadow. Remember, it should match the color of your eyebrow hair roots. Step 8. Eyeshadow time. Apply it on your eyelids and shade. Step 9. Draw an outline of an eye with an eye pencil. Draw small arrows or wings as shown. It should exceed the eye length a bit and be pointed upwards. Step 10. Eyelashes. Take volumizing mascara and apply it to your eyelashes evenly. Don't worry, we're almost there. Step 11. Cover your cheeks with some darker contouring. Make a line from the cheekbone to the temple. You can use a large brush, and you don't need to make the line graphically accurate. Then shade as shown. Step 12. Take a lip brush and some lipstick, and then apply it carefully to your lips. Don't forget to draw a contour first, and then fill it in with bright colored lipstick. Step 13. Concealer again. In case you've messed up with the lipstick or you simply want your contours to look a little sharper, shade the overdone places with concealer. And that's it! Enjoy your totally cool new look! Be sure to comment in case there are any tutorials you'd like to see. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll have new tips and tricks coming your way soon.